Hello friends, today in this video I thought of changing my teaching or discussing strategy which I am following before. From this video I am thinking to take one small topic and we discuss it in detail, how we use it, where we use it and what is the purpose of it. So I think it will not be too much of boring and will help you in understanding the basic concept of that particular configuration or particular topic. So today in this video I am going to discuss about company code. We all might be knowing that it's a simple topic, what might be necessary to learn it in detail. Just to learn the company code, yeah, we all know that company code is a organizational unit for financial accounting in SAP S/4HANA. So it actually represents the legal entity for which a complete self-contained set of accounts can be created, and by using the company code we post the transactions and all the items will be used or required for the financial statements such as balance sheet and profit and loss account. So as a theory part, we know all these things. It is a organizational unit and it will be used to generate balance sheet and the profit and loss account and also to post the transactions. So now let us see in which all places we can do that. So as an organizational unit, we create it in OX02 transaction code. There are two options how we can create our means like how we create the company code. It might be like one is creation and another other is copy. So normally as per SAP suggestion, it is always better to copy the company code from the standard country template which was provided with SAP best practices package. So if we don't know what is SAP best practices package, it seems like for each and every client the SAP is providing SAP best practices package if, which they can implement in their SAP system, and then they can find the templates which they can copy the company code from the standard company code which SAP provided. See, we can see the template, country template for CA, and even there are many more templates for Brazil, Argentina. So because this will be helpful to meet the complex legal requirements of that particular country. So every country's legal requirement will not be that simple. In some few countries the legal requirements might be complex. So based on that legal requirements, SAP has developed the country template company code where we can copy the standard company code to our company code to meet that specific country legal requirements. So this is country template for AE. So if we are planning to configure a company code in this country, better to copy the standard template and create the company code. So all the required configuration will be copied to this particular company code. So this is how we create the company code. This is one thing, like we will just select it and we will do copy as, and this is now it is a target company code. So we can change the information as required and we create it. Or directly it is a creation. In OX02 we directly create it as new entry and we will create it. These are the two types how we create the company code. Now moving on to where we use it. So we all know that while posting the business transactions, it is very much important to provide the company code in any of the transaction. It is like F.02. We can see in each and every transaction code there will be company code. So the particular document will be posted in that particular company code. So it is useful in generating the financial statements. And also FB60, if we check any of the transaction, we can see there will be company code available. See, already the company code is automatically selected. If we want to change that, we can change it here. Okay. And also even while parking the document, FV50, even while parking the document, it is showing the company code. So for each and every transaction which we post in SAP is mandatory to be posted against company code. So we can generate the financial statements or it will be for documentation purpose. This is one of the use. And how can we check the list of company codes available in SAP? So there are three ways. One is the same OX02. If we click on this, we can see a list of all the company codes available here. It shows here 302 company codes, and the other place is OBY6. Even here we can see there are 302 company codes, and if we don't want to check in the transaction codes, if we want to check it at table level, we can check in T001 table. So maximum number of heads. Let me try to execute it. So we can see there are 302 company codes listed in the table. These are the different ways where we can check the company codes. And also one important benefit always we discuss about company code is it is used for legal reporting purpose, which we use for balance sheet, for creating balance sheet and profit and loss account. So where do we do that? So financial statements can be generated in F.01, and also we can develop in financial statement version. So if we see this financial statements, we can see there is a company code. In financial statement version, it is based on chart of accounts level, and here also if we want to generate the statement, we can generate based on chart of accounts, and also if we want to individually generate the statements, we can even generate based on company code. So this is how it looks, and if we generate this with our with the company code S4HE, so this is the company code which we have tested in our previous videos. This how it generates it shows all the balances in different GL accounts. So this is how we use the company code. If you have any more ideas of how we can use the company code, you can please let me know in the comment section. And also please let me know, like discussing daily each topic in a simple terms will value you better or not. Please let me know, because I was doing 1 hour videos, half an hour videos. I don't think I am spending a lot of time, but I'm not seeing you people are very much interested or will be able to follow me from uh, starting to end for 1 hour. So I thought of breaking the topic and just discuss on that particular topic in detail in one particular video. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and if you like it, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.